Welcome to the world of purposeful woodworking, where creativity meets commerce. In today's market, consumers are increasingly drawn to items that not only serve a function, but also tell a story and reflect personal values. This presents a unique opportunity for woodworkers to create projects that resonate deeply with potential buyers. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and meaningful designs, you could transform your woodworking passion into a profitable venture. As we explore various project ideas, we'll delve into how to blend aesthetics with utility to attract a diverse clientele. Whether you're crafting home decor, furniture, or unique gifts, the key lies in understanding your audience and the values they hold dear. By infusing your work with purpose and intention, you can create pieces that not only stand out in the marketplace, but also connect emotionally with customers, leading to lasting relationships and repeat business. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how to turn your woodworking skills into a thriving enterprise. As you dive into the world of creating purposeful woodworking projects that attract buyers, we hope you find inspiration and practical ideas to elevate your craft and grow your business. Remember, each piece you create has the potential to tell a story and resonate with customers who appreciate quality and intention. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more about woodworking and project ideas, please stay tuned until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and fellow woodworkers. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable insights and inspiration. Creating purposeful woodworking projects is not just about crafting beautiful pieces. It's about understanding the market and the needs of your potential buyers. In today's consumer landscape, people are increasingly searching for items that have meaning and functionality. When you focus on designing projects that resonate with your audience, you not only enhance the value of your creations, but also position yourself for greater success in the woodworking business. Understanding your target market is the first step in crafting purposeful projects. Conducting market research can provide insights into what potential customers are looking for in handmade wood items. Are they interested in sustainable materials, unique designs, or multifunctional pieces? By identifying these preferences, you can tailor your woodworking projects to meet the specific desires of your audience, increasing the likelihood of sales. Sustainability has become a significant factor for many consumers, especially those who prioritize eco-friendly practices. By incorporating reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood into your projects, you can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. This approach not only adds a unique character to your creations, but also allows you to tell a compelling story about your materials, enhancing their appeal and value. Another vital aspect of creating purposeful woodworking projects is functionality. Consumers appreciate items that serve a dual purpose or fulfill a specific need in their lives. By designing your projects to be not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical, you can attract buyers who are looking for solutions to everyday challenges. This focus on utility can set your work apart from mass-produced alternatives that lack the same level of thoughtfulness. In addition to functionality, customization is a powerful tool in the woodworking business. Offering personalized options allows customers to feel a deeper connection to the products they purchase. Whether it's engraving names, dates, or special messages, customization can elevate the perceived value of your projects and encourage buyers to choose your work over others. This personal touch can also lead to word-of-mouth referrals, expanding your customer base. Marketing your woodworking project effectively is crucial for attracting buyers. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your creations, share behind-the-scenes processes, and engage with your audience. High-quality images and videos can highlight the craftsmanship and details of your work, drawing in potential customers. Building an online presence also allows you to connect with a broader audience, increasing visibility and sales opportunities. Participating in local craft fairs, markets, or exhibitions can provide valuable exposure for your woodworking business. These events allow you to interact with potential buyers face-to-face, creating connections that can lead to future sales. Additionally, they provide a platform to receive direct feedback on your projects, helping you refine your offerings based on customer preferences and trends. Networking within the woodworking community can also enhance your business prospects. Collaborating with other artisans or joining woodworking groups can open doors to new opportunities and resources. Sharing knowledge and experiences with fellow woodworkers can inspire creativity and innovation in your own projects, ultimately benefiting your business. Pricing your woodworking projects appropriately is another critical factor in attracting buyers. It's essential to consider the cost of materials, labor, and overhead when determining your prices. Additionally, researching competitors can help you understand the market rate for similar items. Striking a balance between affordability and fair compensation for your craftsmanship ensures that your projects remain attractive to buyers while also sustaining your business. Customer feedback plays a significant role in shaping your woodworking projects. Encouraging reviews and testimonials can provide insights into what buyers appreciate about your work and areas for improvement. Listening to your customers can guide your future designs and help you create products that better meet their needs and preferences. Building a strong brand identity can also help differentiate your woodworking business in a competitive marketplace. Consider what values and aesthetics you want your brand to represent, and ensure that these elements are reflected in your projects, marketing materials, and customer interactions. A cohesive brand can foster trust and recognition among consumers, making them more likely to choose your products. As you continue to develop your woodworking skills and expand your project offerings, staying adaptable and open to new ideas is essential. Trends in design and consumer preferences can change rapidly, so being willing to innovate and pivot when necessary can keep your business relevant and appealing. Embrace feedback and remain engaged with your audience to ensure your creations align with their evolving tastes. Ultimately, creating purposeful woodworking projects that attract buyers requires a blend of creativity, market awareness, and business acumen. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, sustainability, and customer connection, you can build a successful woodworking business that not only thrives financially, but also brings joy and meaning to those who purchase your work. This journey of crafting with intention can lead to a rewarding career that reflects your passion while making a positive impact on your community and customers.